In this video, I'll guide you through joining private servers in Roblox. If you find this tutorial useful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Joining private servers in Roblox allows for a more controlled, personalized gaming experience with friends or specific players. It also helps avoid unwanted disruptions from random players or trolls. To begin, open the Roblox app on your PC or laptop, which will bring you to the home page. From there, navigate to the search bar at the top of the screen and enter the name of the private server you're looking for. For example, if you know the server's name, type it in. The server should appear in the search results. Once you see it, click on it, and it will open the page displaying the server's destination and description. Next, you'll see a large blue play button. Right next to this button, there's a smaller button. Click on that small button, and it will reveal three options: invite friends, create a private server, and join friends. To join a game that your friends are in, select Join Friends. This action will direct you to the Join Friends page, where you'll find two options: the private server option and the Join Friends option. Since the server has already been created, you can simply start the game. On your screen, you'll see that the game has already begun. At this point, you can invite friends to join you or start chatting with them if you wish. For example, you might notice that someone else has already joined the game. You can interact with them as you play. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.